I wanted to address what Sundu said because I think as scientists we have a responsibility to set the record straight in terms of why we do what we do. And so your question was, how much is it going to take? How many neurons? How many molecules, etc.? And my answer would be as many as it takes. And the reason for that is, I mean, if you look around this room, there are lots of professionals, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Professor Lena Ting, Mike Uvone, Dieter Jaeger, David McCormick, lots of people who, when we study neuroscience, we're not only studying it for the sake of knowledge, but we're studying it to, believe it or not, eliminate suffering. And so when we want to do that, we need to first understand where is the roadblock in the system. And if that means we need to know if it's 10 neurons or 1 neuron, then that's what we need to know. And then if we need to be able to drug something, we need to know what molecules might be involved, what pathways. And the more pathways we uncover, the more potential targets that we have. I will say that it's inconceivable, and I'd love to be corrected by anyone about this, but it's not conceivable that there's going to be a neuropsychiatric disorder or a condition that is the purview of a single neuron. So it's going to be an ensemble of neurons that fires. Fortunately or unfortunately, the brain in several respects is stochastic, so it's not the same sets of neurons that will fire repeatedly and with precision over extended periods of time, and therein lies a challenge for us to figure out what the common logic is. But I guess it'll take a lot to eliminate that suffering, and we'll do whatever it is that we can.
Point well taken. I'm aware of the time going by, and I want to make sure that we leave time for Your Holiness. I think this has been a really terrific discussion, and any comments on your part would be very welcome.
Those